Hi, this is Ken with Family Waterproofing. Today's featured service is concrete raising, a cost-effective alternative to replacing your concrete. Today's concrete raising job involves raising 2 slabs in the garage that have dropped over 3 inches. We're going to be looking to drill it, pump it with polyfoam, and raise it back to level. In the first step, we drill small, strategically placed holes. In the second step, we inject polyurethane foam underneath the concrete in order to fill the voids and raise the concrete. After the concrete is raised, we patch the holes and the job is complete. Concrete raising is one of the many services Family Waterproofing provides, from foundation wall cracks to drainage systems, window wells, and sump pumps. When you need help, you can always count on Family Waterproofing to keep your family dry.